Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from First Cry Parenting.
Natural remedies for diarrhea in children. Diarrhea in children is defined as passing frequent, watery stools more than 3 times a day. It can be classified as acute or chronic based on duration, with acute lasting a few days to 4 weeks and chronic lasting beyond a month. Home remedies for diarrhea in children. 1. Adequate rehydration. The most crucial aspect of managing diarrhea is to ensure proper rehydration. Use oral rehydration solution (ORS) to replenish lost electrolytes and fluids. Offer small amounts frequently. 2. Small and regular meals. Children should be fed regular meals during diarrhea. This helps replenish lost nutrients and prevents weakness. Feed every 3 to 4 hours. 3. Herbal remedies. Certain herbs can help improve bowel habits and reduce diarrhea symptoms. Chamomile tea, for example, is known for its soothing properties and can be beneficial. 4. Turmeric. Turmeric is a natural antiseptic and has anti-inflammatory properties. Mixing a teaspoon of turmeric powder with warm water, if tolerated, can help alleviate diarrhea symptoms. 5. Bitter gourd juice. Bitter gourd juice is known for its digestive properties. Adding an extra pinch of salt to bitter gourd juice can help manage diarrhea. 6. Gooseberry. Gooseberry, also known as amla, can help reduce the water content of stools, thus easing diarrhea symptoms. 7. Black tea. Black tea contains tannins that can help reduce intestinal inflammation and relieve diarrhea. However, avoid adding milk to black tea as it can worsen diarrhea. 8. Mashed apple. Mashed apple slices are easy to digest and help improve diarrhea symptoms. Make sure to remove the peel and seeds before mashing. 9. Blackberries and black seed oil. Blackberries and black seed oil are believed to have anti-diarrheal properties and may help reduce diarrhea symptoms. 10. Coconut water. Coconut water is rich in electrolytes and can help replenish potassium lost during diarrhea. It is a natural and safe way to keep your child hydrated. 11. Curd or yogurt. Curd contains probiotics and beneficial bacteria that can help restore the average balance of gut flora. This can aid in digestion and alleviate diarrhea symptoms. 12. Bananas. Bananas are high in fiber, which helps maintain regular bowel habits and can help prevent and alleviate diarrhea. 13. Lemon, black pepper, and ginger juice. A mixture of lemon drops, a pinch of black pepper, and ginger juice can help relieve cramps associated with diarrhea. These home remedies can effectively manage mild to moderate diarrhea in children. However, it's essential to consult a doctor before trying home remedies.